Welcome to the 2022 PMP Second Virtual Open House. The first open house for this project was back in the summer of 2020 and can be found above this link on the City of Golden Valley website. The purpose of the second virtual open house is to provide you with a project design based on the comments, feedback, and questions received as part of the first open house. If you haven't watched the first open house yet, we recommend you watch that video, then start this video. The second open house video also provides an opportunity to ask additional questions and comment on the proposed design. General project information slides that are embedded in the first open house video can also be found on the City of Golden Valley PMP webpage. As part of the 2022 and 2024 PMP projects, a sidewalk is being considered on Duluth Street between Winnetka Avenue and the General Mills Nature Area. This proposed sidewalk is identified on the City of Golden Valley's Bicycle and Pedestrian Plan. This plan was developed by the city's Bike and Pedestrian Task Force and included in the city's 2040 Comprehensive Plan to create a multimodal transportation network throughout Golden Valley. The 2022 PMP project is located in the neighborhood south of 23rd Avenue, east of General Mills James Ford Bell Nature Area, north of Duluth Street, and west of Wisconsin Avenue. The following streets are being considered for reconstruction as part of the project: Aquila Avenue from Duluth Street to 23rd Avenue, Zeeland Avenue from Duluth Street to 23rd Avenue, Xylon Avenue from West Bend Road to 23rd Avenue, Winnetka Heights Drive from Zeeland Avenue to Xylon Avenue, West Bend Road from Zeeland Avenue to Wisconsin Avenue, and Duluth Street from 150 feet west of Aquila Avenue to Wisconsin Avenue. As with all PMP projects, the project's scope covers more than just street reconstruction. Staff evaluates water main, sanitary sewer, and storm sewer to determine if these pipes need attention while construction is taking place in the area. For the 2022 PMP, staff is proposing 100% replacement of the water main system, including valves and hydrants, as well as 100% rehabilitation of the sanitary sewer mains. Staff is recommending spot replacement of storm sewer mains and replacement of all catch basins within the project area. As part of the first open house process, a rear yard drainage issue was brought forward. This area was evaluated and a storm sewer catch basin is proposed north of the Duluth Street sidewalk. The key to building a cost-effective, long-lasting street is to start with the foundation. The existing pavement will be removed and the soft, moisture-susceptible clay soils dug out to make room for sand and gravel. New curb will be installed throughout the project area with the new proposed street widths at 26 feet, and new asphalt pavement will be installed. As with all PMP projects, intersection safety and parking areas are evaluated. The intersection of Xylon Avenue with Winnetka Heights Drive will be slightly realigned to improve safety and sightline visibility. The west end of Duluth Street near the General Mills James Ford Bell Nature Area will be extended approximately 40 feet west within existing City of Golden Valley right-of-way, and a cul-de-sac will be installed for the ease of turnaround and to accommodate additional parking for the nature area. As you can see in the Duluth Street cul-de-sac exhibit, a sidewalk is proposed along the north side of Duluth Street from General Mills Nature Area to Winnetka. More information on the sidewalk and an opportunity for comments on the sidewalk proposal can be found at the City of Golden Valley PMP webpage. As with all PMP projects, a portion of the project is funded through special assessments. Assessment rates for the 2022 PMP will be determined once bids are opened for the 2022 project, typically the winter before the project is scheduled for construction. Estimates for the assessment amount are gathered as the feasibility report is prepared, which will take place later this summer. The assessment amount for the current 2021 PMP is $8,876 per unit. As mentioned at the first virtual open house, homeowners will have the opportunity to have their full driveway replaced as part of the project. Staff can work to provide an estimate for your driveway replacement that can be incorporated into the project and assessed over a 10-year period. Each single-family residential property is allowed one driveway opening. Multiple driveway openings will not be replaced with the project. If you have more than one driveway, city staff will contact you about removing the second driveway as part of the PMP project. The PMP project offers a voluntary sanitary sewer service repair program in which you can have your service inspected free of charge. Normally, this is a $250 fee, so we recommend property owners at a minimum have a free inspection of their sewer. The results can help you decide if you want to participate in the repair program in which you can have your service repaired as part of the project and assessed over a 10-year period, similar to the street assessment. There are numerous ways to obtain information about the PMP project in your neighborhood. The best way to stay up to date is to sign up for GV Direct Connect by using the website goldenvalleymn.gov/news/subscribe and following the instructions. If you do not have an email, you can sign up to receive mailed versions of the construction news update. There will also be a project hotline that residents can call into for updates during the project. Once you have had a chance to review the proposed design, please submit all questions, comments, and feedback about the project. If you haven't already, please let us know if you have any of the following: invisible pet fence, automatic sprinkler system, sump pump, retaining wall or landscape features within 10 feet of the street, sanitary sewer service problems. You can submit comments, questions, or feedback using the link above the video on the City of Golden Valley website. A virtual discussion open house will be held on June 9th from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. for residents to discuss the project with city staff. The link to access the open house will be available on the City of Golden Valley PMP webpage approximately 1 week prior to the open house.